Hi, come make these beautiful infinity loop earrings with me. I have chosen a dark ebony wood. So here you see me measuring the desired width and length of the piece and sawing it out by hand. Once I have the desired pieces, I will transfer the design and take a short gap break, since Nala always needs attention. Then I continue to shaping the infinity loop with my chisel and knife. This is a nice example of earrings I've already created with the same shape, getting closer to creating the shape. After doing the rough shaping, I do the finer shaping with a smaller knife. I have to be careful not to cut in my hand there. And some more fine shaping. This is very fine, very patient work. Then I drill in the holes with a Dremel bit. Along the way also a lot of sharpening needs to happen to get a clean cut. Here you see me cutting out very thin slices behind the infinity loop. You can see I'm almost there. Now it's time to carve out the inside. This takes a lot of patience. It gives like an effect that it's floating. I usually start sanding at 120 and work my way down until 1200 grit. After I drill in a little hole, I attach the eye loops. Now I can start polishing. I will finish with some shellac that I will let dry for a while, and then I'll have to sand off the shellac again. So I really have a very smooth finish and a very flawless appearance. And then I do another coat of shellac or two. And that is how I made these infinity loop earrings. I hope you all enjoyed me creating them. I know I did, and I'm very happy with the final result. Thank you all for watching. Bye!